Russia reported an abnormal situation on Saturday on its moon-bound Luna 25 spacecraft, which launched earlier this month. The country's space agency Roscosmos said that the spacecraft ran into unspecified trouble while trying to enter a pre-landing orbit and that its specialists were analyzing the situation. During the operation, an abnormal situation occurred on board the automatic station, which did not allow the maneuver to be performed with the specified parameters, Roscosmos said in a Telegram post. Roscosmos, however, did not specify whether the incident will prevent Luna 25 from making a landing. Earlier, Roscosmos stated it had received the first results from the Luna 25 mission and that they were being analyzed. The Russian spacecraft is scheduled to land on the south pole of the moon on Monday, part of a big power race to explore a part of the moon that scientists think may hold frozen water and precious element. The lunar south pole is of particular interest to scientists who believe the permanently shadowed polar craters may contain water. The frozen water in the rocks could be transformed by future explorers into air and rocket fuel. Though Roscosmos said that the information received from Luna 25 was undergoing analysis, the agency reported that the preliminary data collected contained information about the chemical element of the lunar soil and that its equipment had registered a micrometeoroid impact. Roscosmos posted images of the Zeeman crater, the third largest in the moon's southern hemisphere, taken from the spacecraft. The crater has a diameter of 190 km and is 8 km deep. The launch from Russia's Vostochny spaceport of the Luna 25 craft on 10th August was Russia's first since 1976, when it was a part of the Soviet Union. The Russian lunar lander was expected to reach the moon over 21st to 23rd August, about the same time as an Indian craft, Chandrayaan-3, that was launched on 14th July. Only 3 governments have managed successful moon landings: the Soviet Union, the US, and China. India and Russia are aiming to be the first to land at the moon's south pole. Roscosmos said it wants to show Russia is a state capable of delivering a payload to the moon and ensure Russia's guaranteed access to the moon's surface. Sanctions imposed on Russia after it invaded Ukraine made it harder for the country to access Western technology, impacting its space program. The Luna 25 was initially meant to carry a small moon rover, but the idea was abandoned to reduce the weight of the craft for improved reliability, analysts said. The spaceport is a pet project of Russian President Vladimir Putin and is key to his efforts to make Russia a space superpower and move Russian launches from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. A previous Indian attempt to land in the moon's south pole in 2019 ended when the lander crashed into the moon's surface.